Hello, my name's Lanny Cohen. I'm with Capital Commodity Services, and in today's video, we're going to discuss corn hedging strategies. Uh, Before I get started, I'd like to address that there are risks involved in trading, and only risk capital should be utilized. So, if you're contemplating trading, please pay particular attention to this disclaimer at the bottom. Okay, so let's get started here. Our website is ccstrade.com. I've been involved in futures trading for 35 years, and we're going to talk about corn strategies for hedging. What's beneficial is to look back, as you could go to quotes and charts and go to historical charts, and then pick whatever market you'd like to analyze. We're going to look at corn today. And so what are your options here? Let's just take a look. This is a current corn chart, but let's take a look at last year's, just for an example. So it's pretty neat. We have every year on here that you could go back and study to see what happened, but let's just look at December corn for 2016 and what our options were. So you click on the link, and let's look at what we have here. Now, I've developed a few strategies, but let's talk about what's available for you first of all. So here you're in the springtime. 2016 starts right here. Corn's kind of going down. You get a little pop up here during the May time frame, end of May time frame, which is typical. If you look at a seasonal chart, you'll see that something similar. But so you have three options here. Well, you have several options. You could forward contract your corn at any price, okay, with your elevator, okay. I don't like that scenario because you remove all upside potential. There's price opportunity. You're just getting rid of it, okay. So I don't like using that strategy. You could use straight futures, which is almost exactly the same as forward contracting with your elevator. Same thing. If you use a futures contract, then you're going to remove all potential price increase. So if you're happy with the price that it's at, then and you want to just lock it in, that's a whole nother story. But I like having opportunity available on the upside. So you never know when you're going to have a big year. I remember when corn went above $7, and a lot of farmers sold too early that year. So I've got a couple strategies that I like. I've got a scale-in strategy where I wait for a certain rally, a certain amount of rally in the contract every spring, and then I start buying put options, and I scale into them every 10 cents it goes up. It's a very specific method, so if you'd like to hear more, feel free to contact me. The other thing you can do is just buy straight options, but if you buy straight options, an option is a wasting asset that erodes with time, so that gets tricky too. So I have the other methods of utilizing it. On the other hand, there's hedging after the crop. You got a bin full of corn, and come January, you can sell it, but the prices are suppressed. So I have some option strategies, some exotic option strategies where you sell your existing storage. I'm not a big fan of storing. You tie up a lot of money. You have to pay insurance. You get erosion. I say you sell it all and put on a strategy. I can show you strategies where you can get long at close to the current price and do a spread where you pay for it, the option for most of the option, and have very, it reduces your risk. Because otherwise, if you're sitting on 20,000 bushels of corn in the bin, that's like having 4 contracts with no stop. So you hold them, hold them, hold them. If the price keeps going down, if it's a record year, then you have unlimited risk. So if you'd like to hear more on some of these additional strategies, I'll be more than glad to share them. My name's Lanny Cohen, Capital Commodity Services. We have a lot to offer as well. We have the historical charts that I just showed you, seasonal charts where you can see the seasonal tendencies, spread charts, spread any commodity against any other commodity or any month against another month. And our live streaming charts are incredible. Full technical studies, any time period. I add to the blog every morning. Our research, we give recommendations along with fundamental research on a free trial. So check us out, and I've compiled a list of top 10 trading rules. If you click the link below and provide us your email address, I'll be more than glad to send you the rules, no charge, no obligation. Thank you very much. I hope you found this video informing.